MRF wood. Finish paints are known for providing a high-quality finish to wooden surfaces. They are designed to enhance the natural beauty of wood while also protecting it. MRF likely offers a range of finish options to cater to different aesthetic preferences. These may include options like glossy, semi-gloss, satin, and matte finishes. Wood finish paints from MRF are typically formulated to be durable and long-lasting. They are designed to withstand the elements, resist wear and tear, and maintain their appearance over time. Some wood finish paints may offer protection to prevent the wood from fading or becoming discolored due to exposure to sunlight. Many wood finish paints are water-resistant or waterproof, which is essential for protecting wood from moisture damage, such as rot and warping. MRF wood finish paints are likely formulated for easy application. They may be available in both oil-based and water-based options, each with its own application characteristics. Some wood finish paints are designed to dry quickly, which can be advantageous when you want to complete a project efficiently. Environmentally friendly wood finish paints from MRF may have low content, contributing to healthier indoor air quality and reduced environmental impact. MRF is likely to offer a wide range of color options, allowing customers to choose the best color to match their decor and style. Wood finish paints may be formulated to be easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that your wood surfaces continue to look great with minimal effort. MRF wood. Finish paints should be compatible with various types of wood, including hardwoods and softwoods. Depending on the product, MRF wood, finish paints may be suitable for various applications